Hi, so if you went home with one of these today, I'm going to tell you how to use it. So it's not a regular shampoo that gets really super bubbly. It will lather up, but it's not like a regular shampoo. So you get the shampoo, and I use about a nickel to a quarter size on my hair. And the main thing you want to do is get it super, super wet. So I drench my hair and just let the water run all through it. I don't squeeze it out or anything. So really get your hair wet, lather it up in your hands. If you want to get a teeny bit of water, you can, and lather it up, and it will get a little lathery. And then you're going to want to go and get to your scalp and start massaging it in. Okay, you don't want to really worry about any of this. It will start working its way down, but at the beginning, the main thing is you want the shampoo to get on your scalp to the follicle, because that's where it's working, doing all the magic. So work that in, and like I said, once you get it lathered up, you can start getting it through the rest of your hair, but it'll disperse. Then for your conditioner, kind of whatever you used for the shampoo, I would use maybe half for the conditioner. And again, so make sure you rinse all the shampoo out really, 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 really well. Lots of water. The key to this is water. And then you're gonna put the conditioner in your hands. And this time you're gonna start here and get all this hair. And then once you get all this and start, getting it through and getting all the tangles out, then you can start moving up, okay? Now, if you have a problem with oilier hair, I would not put it on your scalp or get too close. Mine doesn't seem to have a problem, so I go up fairly far. So, and that's how you do that. And then again, you leave it for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it really, really, really well. Now, my husband, he's not used to using conditioner. I don't know if your husband's used conditioner, but I told him, I'm like, you've got to use it because each part is important. But he only needed like a dime size for his hair of shampoo, and so even less for conditioner. So then the serum. So you can use the serum 2 to 3 times a week. So you do 2 squirts, you rub it in, and I rub it just to my fingertips. And then again, I curl my fingers and I try and get under all my hair. Again, for a guy, it's not a big deal. And you just massage it in like that. That's how I do it. And I get it all the little spots where I feel like my hair's thinner, okay? So some people, I'm too lazy to do this, but if you're not, here's a good trick. Get your part and get a little on your finger and then go like that down your part, massage it in, and then get another section, flip it over, and do that. I do not have time for that. So I just do it all in the one and done. And I like to do mine wet, and I feel like the water kind of disperses it. So it's faster. Again, if you're really worried about it, and then I would maybe take some more time, but it seems to be working for me. I feel like I have some new hair growth. I can see like new little hairs. They're coming in white, but they are coming in. So I guess that's better than nothing, right? I think that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. And I hope you love this as much as I do. The first time I used it, I could tell a difference in my hair. It was just softer. Like before, even with conditioner, my hair felt kind of straw-ish. It was just ugh. And so now it feels great. There's definitely more volume. I can blow dry it and it already looks good with no product in it. In fact, I don't use a whole lot of product anymore anyway. Mostly just some hairspray at the end. And I think that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.